Hi and welcome to this new video. In today's video, we'll continue talking about customizing Kali Linux. And today we'll talk about changing the shortcuts in the terminal. So how can we adjust the shortcuts in the terminal? Let me first open the terminal and then we need to go to File, Preferences, Shortcuts. And here we have all the shortcuts. And if we want to change a shortcut, we need just to press on it and then type on the keyboard the shortcut that we want to change. For example, I changed already the paste shortcut. Let us change it again back to how it was. It's Control Shift V. And now it's back to the default Linux paste shortcut. And now it's back to the default Linux-based shortcut. I think copy and paste are the most important two shortcuts. And if you are coming from a Windows background or Windows environment, so on Windows it's Control C and Control V, and here on Linux it's Control Shift C and Control Shift V. But we can't change the paste or sorry the copy to control C because in the terminal control C is to cancel a command and start a new line. Let me just show you. So if we press on control C, it's going to start a new operation or a new command. And if we change it to control C, we are going to change the process for this command. And to be honest, I'm used to this Control C as canceling, and I'm used as well to the copy option, but I can live with Control Shift C and Control Shift V. And it's up to you to change it or to leave it. But if you want to do it, you know now where to find it and how to change it. So again, it's under preferences, shortcuts, and just press on the shortcut and press on the window or on the tab next to it and type on the keyboard the shortcut that you want to change. That's it for today. Hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.